Let's jump into a data log now and evaluate what this is going to look like for this launch RPM. Let's jump in here to this launch table here. Let's see what this is going to look like and see how we can work with this going back into this table here after we evaluated a data log. Okay, so now I have my Motec i2 standard software open here, my logging software. I have a data log open from a drag car that's utilizing this launch RPM table. So we're going to be seeing how this works. So we're going to be noticing right off the bat here, this is the beginning of my run. This is when I'm on the two-step. And we're going to be seeing that the RPM limit setting here is 78. My engine RPM here is around 82. If we actually jump in here, we can look at our ignition cut level percentage. And we can see that it's showing it's roughly 70, 80% depending on where I'm operating in that. And that's what's holding me back here. And it's looking at the difference between my setting here and my actual RPM range right here, my actual RPM. Now, if we jump into here, we're going to be seeing that's going to correspond to this 0 mile per hour breakpoint and this first gear point here. So this that particular data log, it was set at 78, but in this case, in our file here, it's set at 7,000. Now, let's jump back into the log. We can see when we launch here, we're going to be noticing this RPM limit, it actually drops down. We can see right here it shows at 7,000. We can notice that our ground speed showing here at roughly 7 miles an hour. Our drive speed showing is here at 36 miles an hour. This is a front wheel drive car. And we can see that our wheel slip is showing 76